welcome guys. It's been a few months since or a couple of months at least, since I've done a Yarn Club unboxing. So I thought since this one arrived today, we could open this together. Now, those of you that frequently watch my channel, you will know that when it comes to opening these boxes, I'm not very good. So let's use the little snippies today. Gone blind in my old age, unfortunately. My optometrist did say, I don't think you're ready for bifocals just yet. It's like, yeah, if only you'd known that I actually tried that many years ago. I don't like it. But, I've got my distance glasses, but it's no good for this close-up stuff. Alrighty. I don't know if you heard that, but Mysterious Daughter's in the background talking to me about knife safety. I don't see her here helping though to open the box. I'm really trying not to stab myself, but you know, with me it's no guarantee. I end up usually just destroying these boxes. I'm sure there's a simple way of doing this. I think if I pull this front panel out maybe, or not. We'll just rip this top off. I should just pre-open the box before I start the video. It might be the way to go. Alright, I think that's opened enough. Oh, drop the scissors. Just about stabbed myself in the leg. Put them away before I lose them. Okay, so I'll take this out first so we can see what it is we're making. Ooh, we've got a carousel beanie. Easy to intermediate. Looks like there's some mittens. Oh gosh, helps if you guys can see too. Some mittens as well by looks. So we've got a crochet hook and a darning needle. I use these quite a bit, these plastic darning needles. They've come in handy. All right, let's see what we've got to make our beanie with. Oh, very cute. We have stitch markers. And not just plastic ones. We've got a decorative one in there too. That's very cute. We have our usual premium blend cup of tea. What else? Biscuit. Look, I don't know if you guys can, if I can turn the camera around and show you. Mysterious Daughter already has her hands out for the biscuits. Okay.
Thank you for kind donations.
What else have we got in here? She might have left too soon. We have some Nescafe Gold coffee. We have the yarn. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. Sometimes there's lollies. There's not today. Alright, so let's have a look at our yarn. Readjust the camera here. Ooh. So we have some Aran Tweed luxury line. This is pretty. It's got flex through it. It feels lovely and soft. Let's see what the colour is. Yeah. I need close-up glasses as well. Sorry to my optometrist. Yeah, getting old. What can I say? What else is in here? Ooh, this is the pom-pom. Look how fluffy it is. So fluffy I could die. It's very fluffy, very cute. So my rabbit, our rabbit over here is like, is it fluffier than me? Yes, I'm sorry. It's fluffier than you. And we have this. It's a half wool, half acrylic, and a cafe latte. It looks grey to me, more so than brown. This one here is more of a, I don't know if you can really tell in this light. It's almost like a khaki, yeah, grey. Got a tinge of green in there too. So I have to read the instructions. I'm not sure whether it's for beanie and mittens, because the pattern here did just say carousel beanie. Oh yes, mittens as well. There we go. Mittens. So that's why we've got the two different balls of yarn there. So if you ever considered joining, like they do have member specials and stuff for yarn clubs, so it is worth considering. I got it once to have a look at it, and I haven't cancelled my subscription because it's kind of fun every month getting a little parcel of yarn and crochet things, and you know, you do get some cool stuff. And I'm always, like today, I was trying to find a crochet hook to do a project. Now I have lots and lots of different sets of crochet hooks, lots of decorative crochet hooks. But do you think I could find the size that I wanted? And I ended up going to one of my original old, just basic aluminium, not very ergonomic crochet hook. So yeah, it's handy that they send you a new crochet hook every month, because I don't know what happens to them. They just, I don't know, they just Mysterious Daughter thinks there's a demon eating crochet hook. I'm just going to pop these stitch markers in here before I lose them. Yeah. So, oh, you can see my feet. Hi. I should really crochet myself some socks. Okay, so that was this month's box from Yarn Club. I hope you enjoyed seeing what was inside, and you know, maybe I can get this beanie and mittens made and in time for the winter, and I'll be able to show you guys. All right, thank you, bye.